Hello everyone, this is Showtime 112. In the 1971 Indo-Pakistani War, the Pakistani Air Force flew 2,955 combat sorties. The majority of those were in the air defense category, with over 1,800 of them flown by all Pakistani fighter types. Tactical air support is the next biggest category with over 700 sorties, followed by offensive counter-air with 288. One category to which Pakistanis didn't put too much attention was air interdiction beyond the battlefield. Only 24 of those were flown, 5 by night and 19 in daytime. What exactly is air interdiction, and why did Pakistani Air Force fly so few of these missions that could have potentially crippled the enemy? These missions focus on targets such as rail and road transport routes that bring supplies to the front line. Destruction of choke points such as bridges or railway stations can delay the supply of vital materials and reduce the enemy's capacity to fight. These targets are usually large and visible, and often they're not as well defended as the targets in the battle area. When it comes to the small number of interdiction sorties flown by Pakistani Air Force, a potential explanation can be found in the desire to conserve the assets for the planned army offensive. Only 4 interdiction sorties were performed by Mirage 3 fighters in a single attack on 15 December. Mirage was one of the types introduced to service after the previous conflict of 1965. Israeli use of this airplane in 1967 made it an export success, and the French were cashing in on the demand. Pakistan had 23 of them available for combat. Wing Commander Hakimullah Khan Durrani, the commander of No. 5 Squadron, led a 4-ship formation against Bangala railway station in Punjab. The Mirages were armed with 2 750-pound bombs. After pulling up for the attack, Hakimullah realized there was no rolling stock in the station. He decided to continue south in search of an alternative target. Very soon, he found the Mokarian railway station with several trains next to each other. The Mirages released their bombs one by one. The impact from the explosions shook the attacking aircrafts, and No. 2's drop tanks were sheared off with the shockwave. No. 4 Mirage pilot couldn't release his ordnance. Of all the interdiction missions beyond the battlefield flown by Pakistani Air Force, this was the only one flown by Mirage 3, which was very suitable for it. The success achieved by the 4 fighters demonstrates what kind of an effect could have been achieved with more assets allocated to this type of a mission. As always, don't forget to press the like button, join our Patreon supporters or donate on PayPal, and keep watching Showtime 112.